have something very special, very exciting to share with you for today's video. So BT Art Box is doing their first collaboration with Evie of LongHairPrettyNails. This is so exciting. I've been a proud supporter of Evie for a really long time. And if you don't know, she's not just a creator, she also is the founder of Patty Gel. Like, hello, it's Evie. She's awesome. So this is very exciting. I can't wait to share it with you. All the details. We're going to do a new set. There's lots of goodies to get into. So let's. So BT Art Box sent me the long stilettos. There are a few other options, few other sizes and shapes, which great variety. We always love that. Now, in true BT Art Box style and fashion, you are getting multiple different sets in just this pack. So these nails are made with the soft gel materials for that natural, comfortable feel. And the best part is the builder gel and top coat is already done for you. Hello. So you can cure these with gel in your lamp for 60 seconds, or you can use them with traditional nail glue if you'd like. I personally enjoy the gel glue application, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm currently wearing one of the new XCOATPRESS. This is from the most recent launch, and I've had these on for a couple of weeks now. Now, when it comes to BT Art Box, you're getting top-notch quality. Nothing's printed on, it's gel, so it's nice, high quality, and they last. So I'm definitely due for a new set, so I'm very excited to try out what Evie has put together for us. We're gonna get to the hand cam in just a moment. I know you're not really used to seeing my face on my nail videos, but I figured, we chat a little bit. Now remember, these already have the builder gel and top coat, so you don't have to worry about that. All you have to do is prep, apply, and that's it, which I'm so excited about. So when you open up your nails, again, these are the long stiletto. You get 5 different sets. So let's start off with the first one. The first one is so cute. It's little cherries, and they have the 3D cherries and the French. So cute. So cute. Now this next one, it's kind of like the set I'm wearing now, which I love. It's a little cheetah French. This is a stiletto cheetah French. Like, hello? Oh my goodness. Look at this next one. It's the little butterfly. Look. So detailed. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then we have a red French with like the 3D designs on them. These are, wow. These look, just look at that. Oh my goodness. Now, along with everything pretty much being prepped, ready, and done for you, all you now have to do is go ahead and pick your sizes. Now, with it laid out like this for you, it gives you the ability to try the size that you think is going to be best for you. So you're going to go ahead and place it, and you want to make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall, and then you can remove it and place it. We love that. Down at the cuticle area, the nail is going to be a little bit thinner, and then up at the tip it gets a little bit thicker. So you will get that sturdy, fresh from the salon kind of vibe with the quality and your overall experience with your BT Art Box nails. Now, I think we've got all the details we need to. Let's switch over to the hands cam and make this set. I don't know what I want to do. I think I want to do a little mix and match. The best part is, okay, I am not going to be here for hours. I'll be able to have a brand new set very quickly. So let's go ahead and switch over to the hands cam, shall we? Here are the nails that I've been wearing for the past couple of weeks. And look how nice they have held up. I wash, I cook, I clean, I do all the things. So they look great. So I'm going to remove these and do some quick nail prep, which I'm just going to do the usual. And I'm excited. I am so excited to create this set. And again, the best part about all of this is everything's done for you. Everything's done for you. The artwork of Evie is so good. I love it. All the details, right? And then on the back, you gotta do your nail prep, soften, push the cuticle, buff, clean. You know what I mean? There's the usual stuff. Select the sizes, do the gel glue or regular glue if you choose. Attach your tips, and cure for 60 seconds. That's it, nice and easy. There are 160 pieces in here, so you will find your size. Legit behind the camera. I'm doing my removal. Just apply the 1 kill remover and let it sit. And then these come right off. That's the beauty of the Jello Peel Off base. But the best part is the removal is great, but they stay. They don't come off until you're ready to take them off, which I love. I went ahead and did my nail prep and applied my Jello Peel Off base. And if my nails look dry, you want that. You want dry as possible. All right, now to pick the set that I want to do. See, the great thing about, the great thing about these is, yes, I can go in and just do a set with just these, but I kind of want to mix and match a little. Okay, so with this set, I definitely want one of these. So let's see what nail these fit. Really easy to size yourself. And you want to make sure you check sidewall to sidewall, make sure everything's good. And I think I like this one for that ring fingernail, so we'll choose that one. And you see how easy it is to take off? You can twist it off, or you can go in with a pair of your little nippers. I really like the 3D on this. I think I'll go with this for my pinky nail. Look how pretty. Right? Look. I actually want to go with this for my middle finger. So I think I'm going to do this for the thumb. And then now for the cherries, we'll use that for my pointer finger. That'll work. For my set today, I'm doing a little bit of everything, a little variety, but I do love that, hey, this week I want to go in with just the little cherries, next week I want to do this, and so forth. Or you can mix it up, like I'm going to do today. And that's what I like about these. You can just make it your own. So I've got my little flash cure lamp on standby. I'm going to be using my solid glue gel from BTARTBOX. Then when we're all done, we'll do the big cure, the full 60-second cure in my full-size lamp. So I'm going to put my gel glue here. And I'm going to go in at a 45-degree angle. Just a quick little flash cure. And we'll continue the process. I'm going to apply my glue. This little lamp is great because the size, you can go all in. You can fit these longer nails in there, no problem. And you can always go sideways too. So easy. See how quick and easy everything is? And again, these already have the builder gel and top coat. After this, you do your final cure, you're pretty much done. But I do a few little finishing touches. I haven't done stilettos in a really long time. So I'm actually glad that I have these. Step out my comfort zone a little bit, you know? And the great thing about this gel glue is if you do get a little spillage, it comes off really easily. Look at that. Now for the full 60 seconds. Look how pretty, look how quick, look how easy. And again, all of these little detailed areas are with gel, so you don't have to worry about anything. Nice, high quality. Okay. At the tips, because when we took it off on this area, I do like to just very gently smooth that area. Very gently, because I don't want to mess up the beautiful artwork that's on here. But I do want to take down that little part from the tab. So very gently, let's go over it. And we're good. And even doing that, I'm still not messing up the gel artwork. So yay. And now that I did that, I don't have to worry about the little pointy part. So good. Okay. I am going to apply some cuticle oil. Look at these. Oh, they came out so great. I love that I did a little variety. But again, you can totally go in with one and have everything match. I just thought this would be fun. Love all of the details. Quality is fantastic. Like, just look at that. Look at the little cherries. The convenience is just amazing. You are getting salon quality in the convenience of your home. You can take your time. You can throw on a episode, throw on a YouTube video, put on some music. Just enjoy yourself. To me, I love doing my nails because it's very relaxing. And these were an absolute pleasure. Congratulations to Evie. I am so happy to be able to share this new release with you, this first collaboration with BTARTBOX. Definitely let me know what you guys think about the new set. As always, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. Please take a moment and give today's video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Stay beautiful, guys. I'll see you very soon. Bye.